Here is how to scan cards using Google Lens, whether it's a business card, gift card, or contact info. First, open the Google app or Google Lens on your Android or iPhone. Tap the Lens icon in the search bar. If you're using the camera app on some Android phones, Lens might already be built in. Now, point your camera at the card you want to scan, for example, a business card. Make sure the text is clear and visible. Then tap Search or Text option that appears. Google Lens will automatically detect names, phone numbers, emails, or URLs. From here, you can tap on Phone number to call or save, email address to send a message, or website link to open it instantly. You can also tap Copy Text to save or share the info anywhere you want. If it's a gift card or code, Lens might detect the number and help you search where to redeem it. And that's how to scan cards quickly with Google Lens. Smart, fast, and no typing needed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.